Today we are going to share you the WordPress installation in Ubuntu, the latest version 22, and we are using the WordPress version 6.1.1 or something relevant. So first of all, we need to download the WordPress from the WordPress site. So just go for the URL bar, download WordPress download keyword, and it will show the download link, and we need to just download that WordPress zip file. We have previously installed our XAMPP in Ubuntu that will support. That is the 6.1.1 latest version that need to be downloaded, and will be showing how to use this zip file to install WordPress on localhost of your Ubuntu OS. So right now, unclicking the WordPress zip file, extract it and move to the particular htdocs folder. So we can run the localhost, then after do the installation process. But after it, previously we need to create a database from PHP My Admin sections. So, and PHP My Admin sections need a user that use the DB and the WordPress connection. So we need to create a user account also. So here is the enter WordPress folder. You can check it in downloads folder. Now we move it to htdocs folder. So we can use the XAMPP infrastructure or localhost where we need to install the WordPress. Here is the folder structure. The wp config file need to be read and write access enable. So we can use some terminal window for it recently. So might be we can recursively allow the read and write access for the entered folder. So just rename it for a particular project, typing new site, and now we are moving the WordPress to opt lamp htdocs. So where the localhost structure are working well as a local hosting server. So we are going to the htdocs folder. Now it is opening lamp, is that after that htdocs, and we can see that new site. The second, this one at the end, and the WordPress automation automated the process to create the website. So we need to read and write access enable on the particular folder. So the WordPress script can able to edit, update or modify that particular file, the wp config file. So here is we are using a user account for dedicated DB for that WordPress. So here is the username, password, and must be the host name will be the localhost. Retyping password, and global privileges are need to be allowed for all the sections and all the features. And now go. Now the user account created already. After that, we can use create a database, same name, the folder, have the WordPress files. So here is the WP user already created, and we are creating a new database name new site, and the Unicode UTF-8 MB4 general CI that need to be checked that is the same as per the WordPress guideline, and done. So we have the database already created, and do not do anything on the database, and going to the WordPress folder, we need to run the WordPress script automatically configured in our localhost. Going to the EC docs, then here is the new site. Now we are updating the user access. The command is sudo chmod -R. We are enabling all the access 777 with and the folder name. So recursively need to assign your password. So the folder is able to all containing its files and folders to be edited or modified by WordPress script. So now we are opening in the localhost the new site website. So here is the requirement need to be done before the WordPress installation continues. First, database name already created, database username already done, database password assigned, database host already assigned for the user localhost, and table prefix and the rest of the things there is no need to be. Now we will get in further details whenever we'll do the next video. So let's go. So the database name is new site already created. Next, the username, you can check it, the username WP user on the user account tab. So that is the WP user username, and you need to put that password. We have previously created that password. So putting it, so I just need to go to the console and hide out that password for my security purpose or for rest of them. So just opening the console and just change the input type from text to password. If you are not familiar with web development, it will be a little bit confusing, but if you are well aware with those console type of things, and inspect element can do changes that password. Now it will be masking my password. I am putting the password here, and rest of the two fields there is no need to be updated. Just do the submit button, click, and we are good to go. Yeah, all right. So the successful screen are there. Now we move to the next phase of the installation. So we need to input the site title for the WordPress site need to be created. So just type down the demo title here, a new WordPress site. You have to assign a username, and this is automated password, but we need to use a customized password. So I am doing the same thing. Password, and it is masked. My bad. There is a hide button. You can check that so we can use it. So this is a demo type of thing you can check with the inspect element. So if you are not familiar, so don't mind, I will show you again. There is no need to masking there because there is a hide button already. So we just need to use the hide button to masking my password and entering the title once again. New WordPress site. Username on the WP user already have created, and a customized password for me might be not strong, so there is no need because it is on my local host, and I define my email ID. Might be possible that sometimes you have any issues, so the notification comes to your mailbox and you can check it instantly. You can search engine visible. You can check the search engine visibility, discouraging it, so it is not indexing for the bots like Google or other things. So if you are not interested, just leave it. And that password need to be used. The same password or some different password might be that is weak or strong, not an issue. Just like that. But if you remember it for your localhost, whenever you just go for the live site setup, so that need to be a strong password for best practices. So just use the hide button, so it will be masked so anyone can see it, because right now we are doing the screen capture. So I am entering the password. Yeah, it's looking medium. If it is low, we don't have any issue because as a localhost installation, I am discouraging search engine visibility. If we don't want to do that, just install WordPress, the button left hand side. Right now we are successfully installed WordPress and need to be logged into our WordPress site. Just use the wp login.php and put your username and password. That is, here is the user account we have created. So now you can check that the new site have lots of tables and datas because the script installation script already created by WordPress script. So now just put that username and password for the WordPress, not for the database. Checking the remember me, or if you don't want to be, so just leave it. Yeah, it's looking great. Working the dashboard, you can check the pages, post, it is fine and working. I have tried as easily because we can do a different way with the terminal through the command, and did not showed you how the XAMPP start or XAMPP installation. If you, there is the page, demo page by default comes with WordPress. Also can check the post, also privacy policy are there. A sample page, can check the post. This is the sample page. This is the Elementor blocks can be used. You can post, check post the hello world. The demo poster comes with WordPress installation packages. And if you want to know how the XAMPP need to be installed, I can show you how easily you can use it without terminal or minimal uses of terminal. So if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day or good night, all of you guys.